Everyone online right now is trying to sell the flashiest AI service they can think of. Custom chatbots, crazy automation, stuff that sounds like it came out of a sci-fi movie, and none of it is making them money. Meanwhile, I'm over here doing something so boring that nobody talks about it, but it brings in over $400,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor so you can see it. There it is. Now, my results aren't typical, but what I do is stupid simple. I run a social media management agency, and we make videos and images for small businesses, post them on their social media pages, run ads, and use high level on the back end to turn all that attention into leads, booked appointments, and real sales. And now we're powering that workflow with AI tools that get the job done faster and better than ever before. And the reason this works when so many other AI offers don't is because it solves the one thing every business owner actually cares about: being seen, getting new customers, and making the phone ring. But most small businesses can't keep up with social media. Their Instagram hasn't been posted on in months. Their Facebook page looks abandoned, and they know they need to show up online, but they just don't have the time. That's the gap. And AI just made it 10 times easier to fill it, because you can now make professional looking videos and images without a camera, a studio, or any design skills. The closer your service is to putting money in their pocket, the easier it is to sell. And content that brings in customers is as close to money as it gets. Now, before I show you how all of this works, let me show you something that'll make this click right away. Watch this.
The easiest ways to keep your pool looking like a postcard is to skim it every day and empty the skimmer basket. It takes maybe 5 minutes, but it saves you hours of work later. Keep up with those quick skims, run your pump on schedule, and check those chemicals.
As you can see, I cloned myself as a pool cleaning company owner giving a maintenance tip. I made that with AI in a few minutes, and that's the kind of content we're now creating for our clients. So let me walk you through the whole thing right now, starting with how we make the content. Chapter 1, how we create the content with AI. There are two tools I use to create all of our client content: Sora for AI videos and Nano Pro for AI images. That's it. No camera crew, no editing software, and no graphic designer. Just these two tools and a little creativity with your prompts. You go to Sora.com, click create, and type in what you want the video to look like. You pick your duration, your aspect ratio, like vertical for social media, and your style. But here's the game changer. You can upload a reference photo of yourself or your client, and Sora will put that person into the video you describe. So you can make it look like the actual business owner is on camera giving tips and talking to their audience, even though they never picked up a phone to record anything. What I do is clone myself as different types of business owners to show people what's possible. Watch this.
Grooming tip. Brush before you bathe, use lukewarm water, and always dry the ears first. And if the dog keeps shaking water everywhere mid-bath, just accept it.
I cloned myself as a dog groomer giving a quick grooming tip. That looks like a real post you'd scroll past on Instagram, and I made it by going to Sora.com and typing in a prompt that starts like this: create a 15-second vertical video, comedic realistic style, character at Sean Stanberry as a friendly dog groomer in a blue apron holding grooming shears, standing in a bright pet salon. You can pause the video right now to see the full prompt on screen. You write a prompt like that, hit create, and the video is done. You can do this for any niche: dentists, landscapers, gyms, nail salons, pet stores. And when you do it for a real client, you use a photo of them as the reference character so it actually looks like them. That's when it gets really powerful, because now the business owner is showing up on social media consistently without recording a single thing. For images, I use Nano Pro. You type in what you want, maybe a social media graphic about a seasonal special, or a before and after post, or a quick tip card, and it makes it for you in seconds. Between Sora for videos and Nano Pro for images, you've got a full content calendar covered for any small business without touching a camera or opening Photoshop. Now that you know how the content gets made, let me show you the part that really sets this apart. Because having great content is one thing, but how you use it to actually land a paying client is where the real magic is. And the way I do it is something barely anyone else has figured out yet. Chapter 2, how to land clients with the AI clone pitch. This is the part that makes this whole business work. And it's the thing that separates people who make money from people who just watch videos about it. So pay attention. Step 1, pick one niche, one type of business: chiropractors, pool companies, dog groomers, nail salons, whatever you want. Just pick one and stick with it so everything you say speaks directly to that person. Step 2, find a business owner in that niche on Google Maps or Instagram. Look at their page, find a photo of them, and then here's the move. You reach out to them and say, hey, I made an AI clone of you to show you what AI social media content could look like for your business. Would you like to see it? That's your pitch. You're not saying hire me. You're not saying let me run your social media. You're saying I already made something with your face on it and I want to show it to you. Almost everyone is going to say yes to that because it's too interesting not to. They've never had someone do that for them before. And that yes is what gets you the meeting, and now you've got permission. Next, go find a good photo of them and make a short sample video of them giving a tip or talking about their business. Watch this. I cloned myself as a chiropractor giving a quick posture tip just to show you what this looks like.
You spend a lot of time at a desk, your head probably drifts forward. Let me show you a quick posture reset you can do anywhere. This is what most of us end up doing. Head out in front, shoulders rounded. That lowers the neck and upper back. Instead, think ears over shoulders. Sit tall and gently draw your chin back like you're making a double chin. Imagine a string lifting the top of your head.
Now imagine the business owner sees a video like that, but it's actually them, their face, their business, their niche. They're going to be blown away because nobody has ever done that for them before. You're not just telling them what you can do, you're showing them with their own face on it. That's what makes this pitch so powerful. Step 3, on the meeting, show them the sample video. Walk them through what the post would look like on their page, and then show them the back-end system you'd set up for them, which I'm going to explain in the next chapter. Let them see the full picture, content that brings attention and a system that turns that attention into customers. Step 4, this depends on where you are in your journey. If you're brand new and you don't have any clients yet, offer them a 14-day free trial. Say, let me post for you for 2 weeks so you can see the quality and the results. If you love it, we move forward at $1,000 a month. If not, no worries. That trial builds trust and proof, and most of the time when they see real content going out and real leads coming in during those 2 weeks, they're happy to keep going. You only have to offer the free trial when you're starting from zero. Once you've got a few clients and real results to show, you don't need the trial anymore. You show them the case study, you show them the content you made for other businesses, you show them the numbers, and you ask for the payment. Now, at this point, you might be thinking, okay, I get the content and I get the pitch, but how do I actually keep these clients paying me long term? Because that's the real question. Anyone can land a client. The hard part is keeping them. And that's exactly what the next chapter is about. Chapter 3, the system that makes clients stay and pay. This is the part that turns a side hustle into a real business. And it's the reason I use High Level, because High Level doesn't just schedule posts, it builds a full system around each client that makes them need you. If you want to test it out for yourself, I have a special link to a 30-day free trial in the description below. And when you use my link, you get access to my AI Business Blueprint course that walks you through various business models you can use. As a quick disclaimer, I may receive a small commission if you continue using it after 30 days, but I only recommend tools I personally use, and this is actually what we use to manage over 300 social media clients. Let me walk you through what this actually looks like. So once you create an AI video with Sora, you go into High Level, click Marketing, then Social Planner. You connect the client's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Google business profile. Then you click Create New Post, pick the accounts, upload the video, write the caption, and schedule it. You can toggle on Customize for each platform so the format and character count fits every channel. You can even set posts to repeat on a schedule so evergreen content keeps going out without extra work, all from one dashboard. Now here's where it gets powerful. That post goes out on Instagram. Someone sees it and clicks the link in the bio. That takes them to a landing page with a quote form. They fill it out. The second they hit submit, High Level's conversation bot texts them back and starts a real conversation. That bot qualifies the lead and tries to book them into the client's calendar. If the lead calls instead and the client misses it, auto call text back fires off a message that says, "Hey, sorry I missed you. Here's a link to book a time." That text hits the lead's phone in seconds. No lead falls through the cracks. Then after the client does the job, High Level can automatically send a review request to that customer. If the customer clicks 4 or 5 stars, it takes them straight to the Google page to leave a real review. If they click anything less, it goes to private feedback, so the bad review never gets posted. The client just keeps stacking 5-star reviews without thinking about it. More reviews means they rank higher on Google, which means more leads, which means the system keeps feeding itself. Now think about what you've built for this business owner. You're creating their content, you're posting it, you're catching every lead that comes in, you're following up instantly when they miss calls, you're booking appointments into their calendar, and you're getting them Google reviews on autopilot. All of that runs through the High Level mobile app on their phone. They open it every day to check messages, respond to leads, and see reviews come in. They're running their business on your system. That's what makes this sticky. That's the difference between a service and a system. A service means if you stop, they stop paying. A system means it keeps running and delivering value whether you're there or not. And for all of this, I recommend charging $1,000 a month. The client gets 3 posts per week. That's 12 posts a month. A mix of AI videos, AI images, and a few text or tip posts, all scheduled through High Level, plus the full back end, lead follow-up, auto call text back, and review automation. Everything I just walked you through. And from the business owner's side, this is a no-brainer. A single new customer for a pool company could be worth $200 a month on a recurring cleaning service. One roofing job could be $15,000. If your system gets them even one extra customer a month, it pays for itself many times over. That's not a gamble. That's an investment they can actually see working. And the best part for you is the actual work per client stays low because AI makes the content and high level runs the system. You can take on 10, 15, 20 clients and still have a life. Now let me pull it all together and give you the exact steps to go do this today. Chapter 4, your plan and what to do right now. Here's everything in order because the worst thing you can do after watching this is nothing. Go sign up for High Level. Pick one niche that you understand or want to learn about. Find a business owner in that niche, grab a photo of them, and make a sample AI clone video. Then reach out and say, hey, I made an AI clone of you to show you what AI social media content could look like for your business. Would you like to see it? Your only goal for the next 30 days is to land one client, even if it's on a free trial, because that first client gives you something no YouTube video ever will, and that's real proof that this works. Once you've got that proof, everything speeds up. Your messaging gets sharper, your confidence goes up, and you can charge full price without thinking twice. The money in AI right now isn't in building the most complicated thing you can think of. It's in doing something simple that businesses actually need and doing it better than anyone else with the tools we have today. If you follow what I showed you in this video, I think you'll be surprised how fast things start moving.